Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela South. I'm a professional makeup artist and I post videos on here every week that include makeup, skincare, and wellness tips and tricks. Today I want to show you a makeup look that I've been applying a lot lately. This is the time of year when I really want to focus on hydration, really easy glowing makeup, and I have some new products that I want to introduce you to. So let's get started. During these cold winter months, my skin needs extra moisture. So today I'm going to use the Kjaer Weis Cream Foundation. It does have a little more coverage, I would say medium to full coverage. It's one of my favorite foundations that has natural and organic ingredients. I'll add 1 to 2 drops of my facial oil onto this foundation itself and just mix it with my fingertips right on top. I really love how this foundation evens out my skin tone, and it's giving me a really nice finish, but it doesn't look super heavy or caked up on the skin. Next, I'm going to apply concealer. I'm using this one from Stowaway Cosmetics. This is a new brand. Everything is designed so that it's small and you can travel, take it with you, and you use it before it expires. I like to apply the concealer and always blend it in with my fingertip. The warmth of your fingertip will slightly warm up the concealer, so it blends in and sort of melts into the under eye, and you don't get it cakey under there, which is so easy to do with concealer. So I like to always blend it in with my finger. I'm also going to use this concealer on areas in the face where I just get a little bit red, so I'm going to spot conceal and just kind of buff out the skin a little bit wherever it needs a little extra concealing. Now the key to a really simple, natural look like this is blush. Especially in the winter, blush is going to perk up the skin and really just give you that healthy glow that you're looking for. So I'm using a cream blush. This one I got is from Stowaway. And with just my fingertip, I'm gonna warm it up in the pan, just going in little circles, and then I'm going to apply it to the apples of the cheeks and blend upward. I like to concentrate the cheek color, especially a bright color like this, on the apples of the cheeks. It really gives that kind of fresh, glowing look. So you can concentrate that color by just going in tiny little circles with your fingertips and blending and patting out that cream blush. Cream blush is great for dry skin any time of the year. It's one of my favorites, and it always looks so natural onto the skin. Blends on, you don't get that powdery textured finish. Cream blushes are just so beautiful for that. What I love about kind of a winter fresh glowing makeup look is that you can also just use your cream blush on your eyelids. So just take a little bit and pat this right onto the eyelid. Now that we've applied our blush, I'm going to apply highlighter. This is one of my favorites from Ilia. You can either warm this up on your fingertip, or what I like to do is just use yoga breath, like a warming yoga breath. Just quickly breathing onto the stick itself is something that I like to do when I'm doing my own makeup. So that'll help it glide onto the skin a little bit more smoothly. And I just apply straight to the skin on the cheekbones, and this helps the stick from tugging and sort of dragging along on the skin. Such a pretty highlighter, and I'm also going to blend this onto the eyelid as well. It's a really nice sheen. I actually don't mind if I get a little bit of this highlighter into my eyebrows, because it just makes the eyebrow hairs look really almost like a glossy pomade. It's really nice to give them a nice shape. And then for my eyebrows, I'm going to just use the Anastasia brow pencil, just very lightly sketch through the eyebrows to add enhancement. I want to add just a little bit of definition on the eyelids, not really like a color. I just want to kind of sculpt the eyelid a little bit, and for this I like to use bronzer. So when you dip your eyeshadow brush in your bronzer, make sure you really tap it off. And probably any bronzer you have at home is fine. I'm using the one from Benefit. And then I lightly just go into the crease and just lightly, just gonna give a little bit of sculpture and just a little bit of definition to the eyelid, but really soft and natural. You can see how that just adds a little bit of depth. And the same thing for underneath the eye, under the lash line. Now all we have left is to apply a little mascara. I love this one from Marc Jacobs. It's really creamy and I love that it doesn't come off. It's just always hard to find. Okay, not quite done. We have the lips and I'm just gonna use the cream blush again. I'm gonna pat a little bit onto my lips all over just with my fingertip, really pressing it into the top and bottom lip pad. And then apply a little bit of the Glossier Coconut Balm Lip Balm on top. This is the final look. I love just how easy and simple it is to have glowing, perked up skin, especially in the winter. You want to focus on hydration, grab a great blush, hydrate those lips, keep the eyes nice and glowy, and plump up those lashes. So let me know if you have any questions about this look or the makeup that I used in the comment section below. And I'd love to have you back next week, so make sure you subscribe. I'll see you soon.